Today in this video, we'll be learning how to unblock someone on LinkedIn, whether it's for professional reasons or just a change of heart. Let's walk through the quick and easy process of reconnecting. We all block people occasionally, whether it's because they were rude, inappropriate, or just spamming. Blocking on LinkedIn can serve a purpose, but when you want to reopen communication, unblocking is simple, and here's how you can do it. First, log in into your LinkedIn account. In the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on it and go to Settings and Privacy. And on the left-hand side, you'll see some options. Click on Visibility and then select Blocking. If you've blocked anyone, their name will show up in the list. To unblock them, simply click Unblock. Then LinkedIn might ask to enter the password for confirmation. If so, enter your password and it will then block the person. It's important to note that unblocking doesn't automatically reconnect you with that person. You'll need to send a new connection request if you want to reconnect. Also, keep in mind LinkedIn's 48-hour rule. Once you unblock someone, you won't be able to block them again right away. So, you might want to check their profile again, send a message, or view content they've shared. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.